Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to explore the word avoid. Avoid is an A2 level verb that means to keep away from something. It's a super handy word that you can use in all kinds of everyday situations. For example, you might say, I try to avoid eating too much sugar, or let's take a different route to avoid traffic. It's all about staying away from things you don't want to deal with. Some great synonyms for avoid include evade, shun, and dodge. You could say, she tried to evade the question, or he tends to shun big crowds. These words carry similar meanings, but can add variety to your vocabulary. On the flip side, antonyms of avoid include confront, face, and embrace. For example, instead of avoiding a problem, you might decide to confront it. Instead of dodging a challenge, you might face it head-on. These words show the opposite meaning and can be just as useful. In everyday life, you might use avoid in sentences like, I'm trying to avoid spending too much money this month, or you should wear sunscreen to avoid getting a sunburn. It can also pop up in phrases such as avoid trouble or avoid making a mistake. These examples show how versatile and practical this word really is. Before we wrap up, let's summarize what we've learned. Avoid means to keep away from something, and it can be swapped with synonyms like evade, shun, and dodge, while its antonyms include confront, face, and embrace. Now it's your turn. I challenge you to come up with your own sentence using the word avoid and share it in the comments. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support means so much and helps others discover the show. I'm Alex, and I can't wait to chat with you again next time. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and have fun with your English journey.